Ever wondered what it's like to make money online? Well, I'm here to tell you it's totally possible, and I'm living proof. Today, I'm going to spill the beans on how I flipped websites for a cool $5,000. Yep, you heard that right, 5 grand. So buckle up and get ready for a step-by-step guide to website flipping success. Trust me, if I can do it, anyone can. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for even more juicy entrepreneurial tips and tricks. Now let's dive in. All right, folks, let's talk websites. Now I know what you're thinking. Websites? Those things are complicated. I wouldn't know the first thing about flipping them, but hold your horses. It's not as scary as it sounds. Just like buying a used car and giving it a little TLC before selling it for a profit, you can do the same with websites. It's all about finding a diamond in the rough, polishing it up, and then finding the right buyer. And guess what? The best part is you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Finding the right website. Imagine stumbling upon a forgotten treasure chest in a dusty attic. That's kind of what finding the right website feels like. You're on a hunt for a digital diamond in the rough, ready to be polished and transformed into a gem. Your treasure map? Online marketplaces like Flippa, Empire Flippers, and FE International. These virtual flea markets are brimming with websites waiting to be revitalized. But don't be fooled by glitter and chrome. Just like any investment, research is crucial. Think of yourself as a seasoned explorer, carefully examining each website. Analyze its traffic. Is it a bustling metropolis or a ghost town? What kind of potential does it have for monetization? Is it nestled in a niche with passionate followers or lost in a crowded marketplace? Analyzing the website. Now you've unearthed a potential goldmine. It's time to put on your detective hat and dig deeper. Let's delve into the website's analytics, its lifeblood and secret formula for success. Where does this traffic come from? Is it a steady flow from loyal visitors or a fleeting sprinkle of passersby? Next, dissect its content. Does it inform, engage, and entertain its audience? Is it a well-organized feast or a confusing jumble of information? Remember, content is king, and a website's success often hinges on its quality. But don't forget the technical aspects. Is the website mobile-friendly in today's digital age? Does it look like it's stuck in the past, or is it modern and user-friendly? A website's design can be its first impression, so make sure it's a good one. Finally, assess the website's current monetization strategy. Is it generating income through ads, affiliate marketing, or something else? How much revenue is it bringing in, and is there potential for more? Remember, profitability is key to a successful flip, so don't underestimate its importance. Making the offer. So you found your potential website treasure, analyzed its every nook and cranny, and now it's time to make your move. But remember, this isn't the street market where you haggle over a rug. This is the art of negotiation, a delicate dance of understanding value and striking a deal. First things first, arm yourself with knowledge. Research average website prices within the niche. Look at similar websites that have been sold and get a feel for the market value. This will be your compass, guiding you towards a fair offer. Now it's time to reach out to the website owner. Be confident and professional in your communication, outlining your interest in their website and explaining why you believe it has potential. Remember, you're not just buying a website, you're investing in a future success story. But don't overshoot your mark. Start your offer low, leaving room for negotiation. A good starting point is around 10 to 20 times the website's monthly profit. And here's the key. Be prepared to walk away. If the owner's price is exorbitant and doesn't align with your research and analysis, don't be afraid to politely move on. Remember, there are plenty of fish in the website sea. Revamping the website. Congratulations, you've snagged your website and now the real magic begins. It's time to transform this diamond in the rough into a sparkling gem ready to captivate the online world. Think of yourself as a skilled craftsman, taking apart a dusty antique and restoring it to its former glory. Depending on the website's condition, your tools might include website design. Is the current design outdated and clunky? Breathe new life into it with a modern, user-friendly interface that reflects the website's niche and brand. Content creation. Is the existing content stale and uninspiring? Craft fresh, engaging content that informs, educates, and entertains your target audience. SEO optimization. Is the website invisible to search engines? Implement strategic SEO practices to ensure it climbs the rankings and attracts organic traffic. Monetization strategies. Is the current income stream trickling instead of flowing? Explore new monetization avenues like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or premium subscriptions. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Each website is unique and requires a personalized touch. Use your research, analysis, and understanding of the niche to tailor your renovations accordingly. Marketing and promotion. Picture this. You've meticulously polished your website. It's gleaming like a freshly waxed car. But what good is a shiny object if nobody knows about it? That's where marketing and promotion come in. It's time to shout your website's praises from the digital rooftops. Think of yourself as a town crier, spreading the news across the online world. Social media is your megaphone, allowing you to reach your target audience directly. Share engaging posts, create captivating videos, and participate in relevant online communities. Remember, the key is to connect with people who are passionate about your website's niche, those who will be genuinely interested in what you've created. But don't limit yourself to the social media streets. Consider venturing into online forums, Q&A sites, and industry blogs where your target audience gathers. Share your expertise, provide valuable insights, and subtly mention your website as a resource. This organic approach helps build trust and establishes you as a thought leader within the niche, making your website even more enticing to potential buyers. Finding a buyer. As your marketing efforts gain momentum, you'll start attracting potential buyers like flies to honey. But remember, these individuals hold the key to transforming your website into cold, hard cash. So how do you navigate this exciting yet crucial stage? Preparation is your secret weapon. Be ready to answer their questions about the website's traffic, revenue, monetization strategies, and future potential. Explain how you've optimized the website, the improvements you've made, and the growth you've achieved. Remember, you're not just selling a website, you're selling an opportunity for success. Negotiation is an art form, and in this game, you need to be a master. Research average website prices within the niche, be confident in your valuation, and start with a fair but firm offer. Remember, you've invested time, effort, and resources into this website, so don't undervalue yourself. But don't be afraid to walk away from deals that don't feel right. If the buyer's offer is significantly lower than your expectations or their terms are unreasonable, politely decline and move on. The right buyer will appreciate your website's true potential and be willing to pay a fair price. Negotiation and closing the deal. Congratulations, you found a buyer who's genuinely interested in your website. The finish line is in sight, but the final hurdle, negotiation and closing the deal, awaits you. Remember, this is where your previous experiences come into play, so channel your inner negotiator and prepare for a successful outcome. Just like when you bought the website, be confident and prepared. Research similar website sales within the niche, gather data on average selling prices, and come to the table with a realistic valuation in mind. Start with a firm but fair offer, leaving room for negotiation but not compromising on your bottom line. Listen carefully to the buyer's concerns and questions. Address them directly, providing clear and concise explanations. Highlight the website's strengths and potential and demonstrate your confidence in future success. Remember, you're not just selling a website, you're building a partnership. But when the conditions are right, be ready to close the deal. Streamline the paperwork, ensure all documents are in order, and finalize the transaction with a sense of accomplishment. You've done it. You successfully flipped a website and turned it into a profitable venture. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.